I'm Alex Berman, and this is Cold Email Teardowns, where I take the emails that I receive in my inbox or that you send, and I make them better. Today's email is an email from this woman, Ashli Norton, from Kuia, who is reaching out, trying to sell her service. Here is the email that she sent. So, hey Sean, first, congrats on your recent funding investments. You can do a lot with 50 million. Seems like she's targeting funded startup founders. So, congrats on your recent funding investment. You can do a lot with 50 million. We'll talk about the whole thing in a second. Curious, have you thought about using something like an interactive calculator to get more traffic and leads for Aria Systems? We helped Autopilot make one, and it brought them a bunch of leads. I actually have an idea that could work for Aria Systems. Interested in chatting about it today. Should take about 7 minutes. P.S. Where did you find the stat about half the population being under 30 and educated you posted in July? So there's a couple things wrong with this email, and the biggest realization I had while reading this email, because this was sent by someone who's watching these videos, viewer like you, they would say, is that she follows everything that I talked about, right? Customized first line. She even has a PS line down here. It's before the name for some reason, but that's fine. But this first line isn't customized enough. It's something worth noting. So, hey Sean, congrats on your recent investment. You can do a lot with 50 million. I don't actually know what company this is, so let's see if we can just search Autopilot and use them as an example. Email marketing and marketing automation. So let's say Sean works for Autopilot. So you can do a lot with 50 billion. Hey Sean, came across Autopilot and extremely impressed with automate customers' journeys as simple as drawing on a whiteboard. How simple is made email marketing. Very excited to try out the platform. Okay, so that's something, how simple you made email marketing using whiteboards. The goal of this first line, remember, is to make it something that could only be sent really to this company. So came across Autopilot and extremely impressed with how simple you've made email marketing using whiteboards. Very excited to try out the platform. Hit them with your exclamation points and your excitement right off the bat, whether or not I have it in my tone of voice right now. So there's no subject line here. So a simple subject line would be, hey Sean, about Autopilot and Kuia. So curious, have you thought about using something like an interactive calculator to get more traffic and leads for Aria Systems? This kind of question is good sometimes, but have you thought about using an interactive calculator? No. Why would anyone ever think about using an interactive calculator unless you work for Kuia? So that's why this is not good here. Came across Autopilot and extremely impressed with how simple you made email marketing using whiteboards. Very excited to try out the platform. We've helped similar companies so then you want to start with like an intro. So I'm Ashli, the co-founder of Kuia. We build custom pricing calculators that have been proven to generate higher quality leads when used as part of websites. Pricing calculator that have been proven to generate, for instance, the last calculator we built increased customer lifetime value at another email marketing company. See how specific you can get here, because she is talking about email marketing companies. Company by 18%. That's a lot, right? Or if there's a dollar value and it's high, you can say $45,000. These are made up numbers. Ashli, you're gonna have to go back and check your numbers. So, hey Sean, came across Autopilot. I'm Ashli, the founder of Kuia, that have been proven to generate higher quality leads when used as part of company websites. For instance, the last calculator we built increased customer lifetime value at another email marketing company by 45,000. So then you want to say something like, would love to chat about how Autopilot is generating leads right now and see if there's a need for, and show you the need for this calculator. And then this is what I didn't like most about this other email. She's like, interested in chatting about it today, should take about 7 minutes. There's no question mark here, so it's just like she's telling him. Would love to run through some specific ideas. Are you if that sounds interesting, I'd love to hop on the phone. Let me know and I can send some available times. So reread, make sure there's a question mark. I don't think there is in this one. Thanks, Ashli Norton, co-founder of Kuia. I'm Ashli, co-founder of Kuia. Are you free for, you can just actually say, are you free for a quick call? So here is your better, improved email. So, hey Sean, came across Autopilot and extremely impressed with how simple you've made email marketing using whiteboards. Very excited to try out the platform. I'm Ashli, the co-founder of Kuia. We build custom pricing calculators that have been proven to generate higher quality leads when used as part of company websites. For instance, the last calculator we built increased customer lifetime value at another email marketing company by $45,000 per customer. That is a lot of money. Would love to chat about how Autopilot's generating leads right now and show you the need for this calculator and show you how we could improve your CLV, your lifetime value. So it's always good to reread emails a couple times, especially when it's the same template you're going to be sending out to everyone. Improve your lifetime value. Would love to run through some specific ideas. Are you free for a quick call? Show you how, and show you some specific ideas the team had on how we can improve your lifetime value. Are you free for a quick call? Let me know and I can send some available times. And that's it. If you wanted to customize this, basically you wanted to use it as an email template. Here's your first name, about company, Kuia, hey, first name. And basically what you want to do is this first line is going to be custom every time. And this would only be for email marketing companies. You could change these numbers if you wanted to send it out. But there is your customized email template. And that's it. So thanks for stopping by. Feel free to subscribe to this channel. Planning on having a lot more of these email teardowns. Let me know if you find some value in it. And send your cold emails to alex@inspirebeats.com if you want them broken down. Also, if you need B2B leads for your company, check out inspirebeats.com. We do targeted lead generation. So I'll talk to you later. Bye.